Hello, good afternoon. How you doing? My name is Alexandra, and I will be doing a review on the 10K per month system. It's a system I came across a couple weeks ago. I wanted to test it out first before I introduce it to any of you guys. And let's get started. I won't keep this video long. And once you get into the system, you will look like something like this. Like that's the system. It's called the 10K per month system. And once you get it, the first step to do is to register for a free account. It's a free system. What that system do is perfect for marketers that have like a business or that they're already running, and also people that's looking for extra stream of income to introduce people that ask them for information. So you're not only locked in with only one stream of income, because in this system you have 25 different stream of income in there. When someone sign up, they don't have to sign up for all 25, but when they get on there, you at least they might sign up with one or more opportunity with you. If they sign up with only one, it's fine, but if they were interested in other things as well, they can sign up with you in those opportunity, and then you get a commission from each of them. All of them are like affiliate marketing. It's not like a multi-level or MLM or anything like that. All those stream of income that's in there, they are affiliate offers. Once someone sign up with you, you will get a commission every time they get paid. Some of them pay instantly, some of them pay weekly. It all depend on which one that you sign up with. Once you get I will put a link in the description, so you can look for when you're looking for more info. And once you get in, the page will look like this. You will register your free account. That's the only way you get access to the system. That doesn't mean you have to sign up with something right away. That's just for you to get access to kind of look around. It's kind of like you go to the store and then you go around, you see what you like, and if it's something that you like, you go ahead and purchase. If you don't purchase anything, it's fine. No big deal. It's just like a way for me to introduce you to different opportunities without any obligation if you don't want to. Once you do it, you get started. You watch this video that will explain everything about the system, and then you scroll all the way at the bottom. You fill out your information. You have to put your real information, first name and last name, an email address. You create a username. That's what you will use to sign up in the system once you're done, so you can log in. And then you put your password, and then you log in. Once you log in, since I'm already logged in, it will send me right away. So again, we're gonna log in together. Okay, once you log in, your back face like this, and you will see your username, and it will tell you who your sponsor is. When you sign up with me, you will see your sponsor is Alexandra. And once you get in, it's not something, I'm telling you, like once you sign up, it's not like you're so excited that you want to promote the system right away, because there's so much training. There's a lot of stuff to set up, which is very beneficial, so you can know exactly what you'll be promoting, and so you can also be familiar with the stream of income that's in there. So when people ask you for information, you can know exactly what you tell them. So I could say the first 48 hours is the time for you to kind of set up everything, and then go to the system, go set up your funnel, set up all your back office, so you can promote it the right way. And there's also training in there for you to teach you how to do that. The first thing you need to do, you see that tab right here, those tabs gonna be your best friend for at least next week to set up. But if you're a fast learner like me, it will take you about 2-3 days to get everything set up. But some people learn faster as well. If you really learn fast, you can spend a day setting it up. If you don't want to spend time wasting time, you just go ahead and do it. Once you sign up, the first thing you'll do, you'll click on introduction, start here. And once you do, there will be a better explanation of the system. The owner will explain how to use the system, how everything will work. You scroll down, see? You scroll down, there's a training to show you exactly how to set up your profile. And then once you set up your profile, you go down and you will join the Facebook group. The Facebook group is where all the magic happen. This is the Facebook group, look like this. That's already all the magic app, and you'll meet some other members that's like the same way that's the same way with you and everything. They'll share their stories, their their profit, everything, how whatever the sales they make this week. It's just like a motivation group, a support group to help you. If you have any question, you can also ask that here as well. And the next thing you do once after you will go to that's just to set up everything. You just go through this step 1 to 10, set up your affiliate link. If there's some opportunities that you want to sign up with, you can sign up. If there's an opportunity in there that you see in there that you're already in, for example, a lot of people are signing up for my econ right now. I can take an example. And if you want to sign up for my econ, it's already in there, and you already sign up for my econ already. All you gotta do is put your username and you integrate it with the system, whatever the business that you are in. If your opportunity is already in that system, all you gotta do, put your username in that system, and then once someone come through that same system and they sign up with you, all the sale gonna go through you. You don't have to worry that maybe if someone sign up with me, the sale's gonna go to the owner or anything like that. No, if you set it up the right way, when someone sign up for that opportunity, the sale gonna go to you. Let's say, for example, that's why we encourage for people to go all in. But if you don't, that's fine. Let's say there's an opportunity in there that someone want to sign up with, but you're not a part of that opportunity, and that person sign up for it, you won't make a commission for it. The next person that has the next person that have a link for that system will be able to benefit from it. For example, if I sign you up for something and I'm not an affiliate for that company, let's say my sponsor was a part of that opportunity, I would not get paid. My sponsor gonna get paid because I'm not an affiliate for that opportunity. That will be the same process for you. If you sign up with the opportunity, or someone else come to you, the system through you, and they want to sign up, and you don't have an affiliate link for that opportunity, and I do, I will get paid, not you. Okay, if you see what I mean. After you set up everything, make sure you go to the self funnel training. That's a training right here. Make sure you go to all the tab, and there's also a way to help you advertise the system. There's paid strategy that you can use, there's free strategy that you can use, there are marketing tools that you can use. Everything that you need is already in that system. There's training, there's is all done for your system. So especially if you're the type of marketer that has different stream of income, you don't want to keep sending people to different links all over the place. They will get lost and they will go and start sponsor shop and do all that type of crazy stuff. So you want to keep people attention span are very short. You want to keep them in one place. That's why the system is perfect for doing that. Instead of having them getting confused or wondering what's going on, they have all the training, all the explanation, everything is very detailed to show them exactly what they can do. Is the same thing for you. If you're not gonna feel because you sign up with this system you're gonna feel overwhelmed. No, there's a step-by-step training to show you exactly what you're gonna do and how you will promote your business using that system. And the best part of it, you might be wondering exactly how much does it cost to get a really done for you system like this. You will not believe this. This system is completely free. FREE, nothing to pay. The only thing you need to do is just after you sign up, make sure you go through the system, you go to the training and set up the right way. And if you want more information, you have any issues setting up, make sure to connect with me. I will also put my information in the description link. Connect with me on Facebook, send me a quick message and let me know that you need some help setting up. I will be glad to help you set up everything. You just let me know and I will help you out. And I won't keep this video long. This is a very, very powerful system because of me myself, I have different opportunity I'm promoting, and when my friend did introduce me to that system, it was it's like a dream come true. I don't have to keep sending people to this link, that link, this link, that link. I don't have to do that. I just plug everything in here. Lucky for me, most of my opportunities were already in that system. All I had to do is put my username in, plug it in, and everything is already in one place. I hope that you will take advantage of this system, because we want every single one of us, because in this industry we want to look like professional and act like professional. And I'm gonna put also a link, um like if you want to send me a message, go ahead. And also, to be a professional, you need at least a professional website, and you need also a professional phone number. I'll also put the information in this, so you can sign up to get your professional number, so when people call you, they don't have to get to your personal number. They will answer your business number. All the information will be in the description. And if you sign up with me, there's training that will be provided. I will be there to help you every step of the way. And I'm looking forward to have you on my team. And have a great afternoon. See you on my next video.